Hey guy, this Martins. I am glad to work with you through market sectors and investments you can take advantage of during recessions and economic downturns. Mind you, these businesses are also lucrative when the economy is stable. If that sounds good to you, please subscribe and let's get started. Use your brain and think like a millionaire entrepreneur. Recession and economic downturn is not the death sentence but an opportunity for with economic creativity to make more money. During recession, make sure to do research and think of what people will need most. Since some people are going to lose their jobs, stay at home or may likely start to work from home, which will certainly create another demand needing supply. For instance, during the 2019 pandemic lockdown, while some companies folded up, people with the millionaire mindset were busy making a lot of profits from the face mask and hand sanitizers and even electronic phone sanitizers. So always think of the demand economic recession is creating and explore it. Are you with me? If you are following, say I am with you in the comment section. What are the sectors you can consider investing in during a recession? Some sectors of the economy tend to outperform others during a recession as consumer needs shift. This is evident in the healthcare and consumer staples industries. According to a 2021 study titled Is Healthcare Employment Resilient and Recession-Proof? Healthcare hiring stayed constant in the face of economic downturns, indicating how recession-proof the healthcare business was even before a pandemic-related downturn. If you are enjoying this content, please subscribe, turn on the notification button, like and share this video. Tell us what you like about the video in the comments section below. Biotech and pharmaceutical firms are part of the healthcare industry. Food and beverages, household and personal products, and even alcohol and cigarettes are all part of the consumer staples industry. In the rebound and recovery phase of a recession, these sectors typically do not experience the rapid growth that others, such as consumer discretionary, household goods and services that are considered more wants than needs, such as apparel, restaurants, and luxury items, or information technology, do. What plan for making money do you have should there be another economic downturn and recession? Please let us know in the comments section. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section and I will reply to them. In any downturn, we frequently look to consumer staples. And those are the regulars, the groceries we buy and the locations where we buy them. Because you're going to need toilet paper, you're going to need to go to the doctor, you've got to eat, you've got to drink. These conservative equities may not be as appealing during boom periods, such as a bull market. However, bear markets and recessions may be the moment to reassess and consider the companies that sell products that everyone buys regardless of the external circumstances, according to Fernandez. The most recent recession, which ended in 2020, was the shortest on record. That is my video for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos on how to become wealthy despite the economic downturn.